Do you love a flavorful chicken dish with a kick? If you do, then stick around with Life of Pain. This spicy chicken adobo is my version of the Filipino chicken. And no, that's not how I got my chicken. I bought mine from the store. You will need about 5 to 6 leg quarters. And just cut it between the joints and remove any excess skin and fat. This is a one-pot recipe, so we're going to put everything into my pressure cooker. I use 2 whole garlic heads. If you have large cloves, it's about 10 to 15 cloves of garlic. And just roughly chop them. I'm using 2 medium-sized red onion, but you can use yellow onion if that's all you have. It doesn't matter, it's gonna cook down anyway. Just roughly cut them. So before you start putting some comments below indicating that this is not a true chicken adobo or a true Filipino chicken dish, I understand. This is my version of it, and I pick and choose the ingredients I like and omit the ones that I don't like. So typically you would put sugar in this dish, but I don't like sugar with my meat, so I left that out in this recipe. Well, that was my curtain that fell during filming. I am using about 10 dry Thai pepper. You can skip these if you don't want it spicy. And I'm also using 3 spur pepper for flavoring. I have them on hand, but you can skip it too if you don't like it spicy. Once everything is in, go ahead and just mix it until the chicken is coated with the sauce. And let's close and lock our lid and make sure the pressure valve is closed. This first cook will be for 30 minutes. And this smells delicious. See how much liquid is in there, and we didn't even put any water in. So to reduce the liquid and to get some flavor back, we're going to close the lid loosely and we'll cook it for another 30 minutes or so. Oh, so yummy. And look at the color on this chicken. It's beautiful. See how tender the chicken is? If you are serving this with noodles or pasta, then you can just stop here. You'll have more liquid to coat your pasta or noodle with. I'm serving mine with rice, so I'm going to cook it for another 10 minutes to reduce the sauce more. And if you haven't noticed, I love brown rice and red riceberry mix. It's much healthier than the white rice itself if you can afford it. Oh, look at this chicken. I can't wait to dig in. This is definitely finger-licking good. This one-pot meal is so easy and so delicious. Go ahead, try it. I know you'll love it.
My recipe and my full instruction on how you can make this is down below this video. You need to actually click on the show more word that's right below the published date of this video. And if you're on a mobile tablet or mobile phone, then actually click on that down triangle. And that would expand the information text box to show you all the recipes and instructions below, okay?
Phew! You are so awesome for watching my video to the end. Please give me that thumbs up down below if this video was enjoyable and helpful to you. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, okay? And that notification bell, that way you know when I upload new videos. Don't miss any of them. But until next time, happy cooking!